Hi, this is Rakesh Udiyar and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
Everything you want is on the other side of fear. This is the golden mantra of Rakesh Udiyar, and he's the man who's majorly being talked about right now because he has trained Salman Khan for Sultan, and he's the trainer for Aamir Khan in Dangal, and he's with us today. Rakesh, first of all, we're having you.
Even Ram Charan.
Ram Charan as well.
Yeah. In Dhruva, you will see his name.
Dhruva, I think it's being talked about majorly.
Yeah.
So pleasure having you on Bollywood Hangama, first of all, Rakesh. And yeah, अगर आपने जो बोला है that everything you want is on the other side of fear, कुछ इसके बारे में आप बताना चाहेंगे?
डर होना चाहिए और हर लोगों को एक अपना डर होता है. किसी को जॉब जाने का डर होता है, किसी को अगर वो जॉब जाने का डर है तो ही वो काम करेगा. अगर वो डर नहीं है तो वो काम नहीं करेगा उस हम्बल से या उस ऑनेस्टी से. तो डर हर एक इंसान में होता है, हर एक चीज का डर होता है. किसी को काम से लेके हर एक, लाइक यू कैन टेक इट वर्ड एंड इट्स देयर.
राइट. ओके. एंड राकेश नाइक, हर कोई बात कर रहा है कि दैट आमिर का जो ड्रामेटिक टर्न अराउंड है, इनफैक्ट 32% फैट से 9.67% फैट पे आना विद इन 5 months, इट इज अमेजिंग. एंड उनका जाना जाता है जिस तरीके से कितने वो हार्ड वर्किंग है, एंड इट्स ब्रिलियंट. बट कुछ लोगों का, मैंने पिक्चर अपने फेसबुक मैंने पोस्ट करी थी, तो कुछ लोगों को उसमें बहुत से लोगों का था कि अमेजिंग रिस्पांस था, बट कुछ लोगों का ये भी कहना था कि ये क्या इसने स्टेरॉइड्स उन्होंने लिया है. एंड फिर अभी आज एक रणवीर करके एक रणवीर आलाबादी, आई थिंक there's some guy, he has posted on his Facebook, which has been taken by some media publications as well, where he's saying that it's practically not possible to have this physique without having steroids.
Why?
So exactly.
My question is why? Why is not possible? What amount of weight, generally we'll talk, what amount of weight sir lost? I'm asking you.
You know, in fact, someone in my office asked me the same thing. मुझसे पूछ रहे थे, तो मैंने उनको बताया कि actually I lost around 10 kgs in 2 months. When my father passed away, तो क्या होता है कि अगर आपके फैमिली में कुछ ऐसा हादसा होता है, तो आपको फिटनेस की तरफ एक आपको हेल्थ का आपको वैल्यू होता है,
मेंटली आपको बैलेंस करना.
Exactly. And मैंने प्रोटीन शेक and nothing I've taken. I lost around 10 kgs. I lost 4 inches on my stomach.
Okay.
So मैंने उनको वही बताया कि मैंने तो पर्सनली खुद मैंने देखा हुआ है कि मैंने 10 किलो मैंने करीबन दो महीने मैंने लूज किया था. इट्स प्राइमरली कि आप डाइट का आप ध्यान रखें एंड जस्ट बी रेगुलर विद एक्सरसाइज.
एग्जैक्टली ये आंसर है कि आप क्या खा रहे हो. What you eat, that shows on your body.
Correct.
Very simple logic.
Correct.
People don't understand science behind the food, how food can change your body. आपने जैसे कहा 5 किलो, अगर ये 5 किलो भी नहीं, मैं 4 किलो पकड़ के चलता हूँ, बहुत हेल्दी है उसके. इन अ वीक आपको कितना लूज करना होगा? 1 kg?
Right.
1 kg is a lot to lose? I don't think so.
You know, I was telling my team members that एक बार आपको एक हैबिट हो जाए.
Exactly.
I can lose 1 kg in 1 day.
Yeah.
Seriously.
See, people depend on people.
Because आपको बॉडी का आइडिया हो जाता है.
Exactly. You come.
If you run, अगर आप रनिंग करें तो रनिंग से बहुत कार्डियो होता है अच्छे तरीके से.
Exactly. So अगर in a week you can lose 1 kilo. In 4 weeks you'll lose what? 4 kgs.
Correct.
In 24 weeks, how many you'll lose? 24 kilos.
Correct.
So it's not a big target. So इस सब चीजों के लिए I don't think so you need a steroid.
Right.
Or you need substances. I understand his age factor, but you have to understand when your food comes on the place, definitely your hormones also play the role. If you eat proper food, if you eat properly, if you sleep properly, I don't know what other fellow says or other scene says. We have seen it last 6 months or 5 months with Sir. I never seen it somebody's doing. Yeah, unless you're a bodybuilder. नॉर्मल इंसान से नहीं होगा. अगर आप नहीं कर पाते हो तो दूसरों को ब्लेम मत कीजिए, पहले खुद कीजिए और फिर दूसरों को ब्लेम कीजिए.
करेक्ट.
आई फील दैट वे. सेकेंड, नॉट पॉसिबल ऐसा कोई वर्ड ही नहीं. आप चाहे वो कर सकते हो. It's not, there's nothing called impossible.
Right. So you're saying that you being his fitness trainer, that Aamir has not taken any steroids?
No. See, you have to understand, we have a team. When I was not there, Mr. Rahul Bhatt was there. He is my husband's son. He is well known in fitness.
Correct.
He has a good knowledge of bodybuilding. He has a good knowledge of, as a trainer, he has a very good knowledge internationally. Myself, I'll do last 10 years of bodybuilding.
जी.
And I do prep coaching also online. So food is a key, is a factor which change your body. If you take in substances and sitting at home, do you think your body will come in that shape?
Absolutely not.
Or if you not eat food and if you take in those substances, do you think this process will happen?
Definitely not.
I don't think so. It's just a waste. If somebody's taking also, it's just a waste. As a bodybuilder, I'm telling you.
Exactly, because if
It's the healthiest way we lost the weight. It was a process. When PK was ending, in that time, we already had a conversation with sir कि कैसे चलेंगे हम लोग, क्योंकि if you see in PK, he has a good body. That time, nobody came and said, "Arey, this transformation done it by medication or blah 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 X Y Z."
correct.
In Gajni also we did. If you see, he's keep doing these things.
Absolutely. PK he has done. He has done
PK
it.
he has done it.
Doom 3 has done.
Doom 3 he's done it, and then now again a new movie we are doing it.
Right.
But that will be a totally different aspect.
Tons of Hindustan.
Like yeah, that will be a different transformation.
Correct.
यहाँ पे उनको wrestler लगना था. The way he put on, the way he lost. As simple as that. Two things we kept it in mind. The time we'll putting on weight, the same amount will build his muscles.
Right.
So for us, it was easy. Dr. Dhurendra has been done a very good job to make his calorie deficiency diet. Let's start from 2,500, then 2,000. The way slowly he start cutting his calories. Definitely, when you do deficit, you lose weight, you lose fat.